Hey there, today I'll be showing you how to see your iPhone location history, and here is how. You will begin by opening your settings. You will navigate to Privacy and Security. Click on Location Services. Scroll down to System Services, and then identify important locations at the very bottom of that page. When you click on it, a pop-up window will appear asking for your passcode or Face ID in order to access all of your location records. It will also display the summary date, which in my case is from December 5, 2023 to the current day. Here, you have the option to view your most recent data and to wipe all of your location history. When you click Wipe History, a pop-up will ask you to confirm that you really do want to remove that history. Click Yes to proceed. Simply turn off your phone's major locations if you no longer want it to track your location. If you do, it will ask if you want to turn it off. If so, click Turn Off or Cancel. To put it simply, significant locations will simply track the sites you visit most frequently in order to provide helpful information on your maps. For example, when searching for restaurants, you will have the option to click Near You. This will display all of the restaurants that are closest to you or the most relevant places that you are or have been. Some people may not want this, in which case you can turn it off. This is a bonus tip for today. I will teach you how to share your location with a specific contact. As someone who frequently misplaces or loses their phone, I find this to be incredibly helpful. It is wonderful to be able to share your location with someone you trust or with whom you spend a lot of time. To do this, it is very easy. Just go into your chats, click on the person you want to share your location with, click on their icon up top, and you will find the Share My Location options. That way, among other reasons, if you leave your phone somewhere, they can track it on their phone. Once you click on it, a few options will appear. You can choose to share your locations for as long as you want, or you can manually turn off the sharing feature for as long as you want. You can share your location for just 1 hour until the end of the day. You may view the person who has been added to your share location by going back into your settings, selecting Privacy and Security, then clicking on Share My Location. The friends you have shared your location with will be listed here under Friends. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.